guys, it's A Savage Baby.
And the CT Sweet Thing.
And today we're here promoting I Love Sucias clothing brand. So today I'm here wearing the I Love Sucias crop top. She's wearing the tube top. And these are the shorts. So this is the back and this is the front.
So we have this tube top in white.
And we also have this crop top in the color red.
So we also have bucket hats.
And we also have caps for y'all. We also have Shaka tank tops for men in black.
And we have them in all sizes. And we also have the big pro clips for the big daddies.
And we have them up to 4X. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Come follow me on Instagram at asavagebaby with 2 Y's. And fuck with my music. I'm coming from Orange County and yeah.
So thank you guys for watching as well. You guys will go ahead and follow me at CT Sweet Things. It's CT_Sweet Thing with 2 G's.
Everybody come get your merch. The link is down below.